today we are doing our final fall fitting. It's been a super long process and you're gonna be following along with us, but we are getting all of our final samples and we're fitting them. We're gonna make sure that the colors are what we want, the locations and placements of all the graphics, and then we're going on a team retreat to Tofino in an hour. So we gotta get going, guys. Now we're going into like our core, the big sister here. Do you guys like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cute, right?
Yeah.
Really, really fun.
And are we gonna get samples of those?
Yeah, so are these ordered?
I have artwork, I just have to place it and I'll
Okay.
order them today. So we've spoken to them about it and we've sent them our heat pressed print.
Okay.
And they're gonna replicate that.
Do you guys not think this is too spaced out?
I actually like it like that.
Because the bee's like in the armpit. Even if it starts like, is that gonna be way too crowded? Has anybody tried this on?
No.
Whoa.
These are new prints, they're rubber prints.
We have really gotta get going because it's like shipping so soon. Okay, so this is really cute. I don't even know if I'd change anything, would you?
I wouldn't change anything, I think it's
Okay.
so cool.
So this style is approved.
The shadow as well, like the outline came out, like it just looks so crisp.
Maybe they have made it slightly wider than we made it.
So I'm just waiting to hear back on that. And then this we approved.
Yeah. The neck is a little wide still.
I did check it, it is the same as our new fit. So this, I wasn't sure if you wanted this exact color or maybe even a tone lighter.
I think it should be a tone lighter,
So like
that.
these,
Yeah.
For resizing those, I was talking to Rye about it. Did you just want the blonde one resized or all of them?
You can't see it at all.
Yeah.
Like it's brunette.
If we do,
Even if it's like
Halfway.
starts here,
yeah,
it's just that it will make it smaller, right?
it'll make it, yeah,
I don't
shorter.
want it shorter. So when will we have all the samples? And these adjusted samples?
I'm gonna send them a final email today and just firm up on it.
And then we're getting 5 sets of samples?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when they said beginning of June.
Yes.